Alright, today I'm going to be reviewing Dentek Comfort Fit Dental Guard, ready to wear. And I bought this because my dentist asked me if I grind my teeth at night, which I thought was weird because how would I know if I grind my teeth at night if I'm asleep? But either way, he recommended that I get a dental guard, and so I got Dentek Comfort Fit Dental Guard, ready to wear. Says that its durable bite pads separate and protect teeth. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. It says slim and secure. But before, we're going to look on the back to see what it says, to show what it has to offer. It says instantly fit your guard. So there's a couple of steps. There is 1, you adjust. 2, you wear. And it says comfortable retention wall, adjustable band, durable non-bulky bite pads. And it says what guard is right for me. And so right here it says Comfort Fit Slim Guard, ready to wear, slim design. But there's also a professional fit. It offers full coverage guard. You have to heat it and wear it for max protection. So I have the Comfort Fit where it's ready to wear. I don't need to heat it and mold it. I think this would be just fine for me. So it has instructions on the side. So read the warnings before you purchase this product and use this product because you want to do this safely. So there's warnings on the side, and you should abide by that and not by what I say in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and there is some fancy Velcro action going on right here. It's pretty cool. I guess there's a window so you can see what's going on the inside. Shows on the side before we get it. Says ready to wear dental guards. Comes with an antimicrobial storage case with a germ shield. All right, so pretty important. We don't want germs around here. So it comes in a case like this, and it shows on here. It says what are the effects of nighttime teeth grinding, and it talks about the amount of force. It says 250 pounds of force on the teeth, enough to crack a walnut. Sounds like an alligator. How does Dentek Comfort Fit Dental Guard provide full level protection during nighttime sleep grinding with such a slim design? Well, they talk about it. It says Dentek Comfort Fit is a no-boil, ready-to-use dental guard. The non-bulky pads, let me zoom in a little bit more so you can read this along with me. It says the non-bulky bite pads help to prevent your upper and lower teeth from touching. By placing the dental guard over the lower molar pair, you get the same level of protection as a full coverage dental guard. So that's good to know. So let's go ahead and open this up. So we read enough about the material in order to review this. So I'm just going to open this up. Now remember, read all of the warnings before purchasing or using this product. Warnings and instructions. So we've opened it up, and there's still some more packaging going on, but luckily for us, they have an opening, a perforated backing to where I can get into this. So that's the guard, and then those are the two Dentek guards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and the first thing I pull out is the antimicrobial case for storing the Dentek Comfort Fit Dental Guard. So I'm going to pull this out, and looking at this, it is very slim. It doesn't look like it's going to be very intrusive whatsoever. I am kind of concerned with this. I hope I read the instructions on this, but it looks like a choking hazard by the looks of it, but we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and try this on. But let me go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and put this in. So the instruction says, let's see, it shows it right here. It says adjust. So you can adjust this right here. See, you can push it in according to how big your mouth. For people with big mouths, perhaps you may not have one, but you know somebody with a big mouth. can adjust this to make it larger for their mouth, or people who don't have large mouths. You can actually make this a little bit smaller, like that. So I made it smaller like this for those with small mouths, or larger. I'm going to go ahead and try this on and tell you how it feels. So I'm going to make sure I get this right. So I guess one way you can tell if you're putting it right, it says Dentek right here. So so I'm going to put it in this way because this is how the letters are right here. I'm going to put it in this way, that's where it says Dentek. And I'm going to just go ahead and place this in and share with you how the fit feels. Okay, already I put it in, and I'm going to have to adjust it because my mouth is not big enough. And if you look closely, there is actually numbers that you can read to where you can have it perfect on either side. So I have it down to 3. I'm going to make it down to 3. I'm going to place this in the mouth and to see how well it fits now. Fits a little bit better. It actually stays in place, to my surprise. This right here goes down. So it stays in place, actually. So I was a bit scared. I was a bit worried that it might be a choking hazard. And it still may be a choking hazard, I guess. Go by the warnings that Dentek says on here. But I'm going to go ahead and try this. It fits good. I'm actually going to, no, this is kind of gross, but I'm going to go ahead and put it back a notch. I'm going to take it to 4, and then I'm going to place it in because I think 4 would be a better fit. So I put it in, and it fits in nicely. I'm no longer grinding my teeth. It just sits in there. And it seems very comfort. I guess that's why they call it comfort fit. It doesn't have a lot of, it doesn't feel as invasive as a normal dental guard would. And I'm not going to put the one that I just had in my mouth in, but I'm actually going to put this one in right here. The spare one, put it in here. And it's kind of like, doesn't really fit inside because there's a lot of space in there. But I'm going to put it right there and close it, get some air so I can breathe a little bit, and put it in there. So that is the Dentek Comfort Fit Dental Guard, where no boiling is necessary. I hope this review is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.